whilst I create a new channel. Hey there everyone, it's AJ Van Richten and it is time for another video. And in today's video I'm going to be doing a bit of a vlog whilst over the top of the illustration that I'm doing today. I'm combining a sort of cross between my traditional art, digital art and also like graphic design whilst I create a new channel banner. Whilst I create a new channel banner. So first of all, I just wanted to get off the bat by saying that I'm gonna like be focusing a lot on character design in the next few months and getting to grips with making sure that I've got a decent sort of character design thing. And I've bought a new sketchbook, which is this, which is going to be my character design book. You can't actually see anything there, but it's got writing on it. But yeah, so it's going to be a new sort of character design type book. Just a small sketchbook, so I can like take that with me and do character designs and stuff. That in the first part of the first thing in the book, I kind of character designed myself. So yeah, but I'm planning on doing it with like loads of other. It's really got bad glare. Yeah, there we go. So I really do plan on doing something similar to that, similar to this. For a lot more of my characters. I had to do it upside down because I was struggling with this here, and I'm left-handed and it was making it really difficult. So yes, is this sort of like vlog going to be about today? Well, it's September now. And I've been quite progressive with getting things done for my YouTube channel. I've managed to upload regularly for like the past couple of months, and I'm really happy with that, and I've had a bit of growth there. And I just thought I'd give a bit of an update as to what is going on with regards to my channel and where I'm going like in sort of my creative world. So as you're aware, it's called AJ Creation Studios, and I don't just create art and things like that, I do writing and stuff. So I'm currently progressing quite well with my third and final novel in the Collision of Worlds series, where it's currently with my editor, and I'm getting that back to start edit and go through those sort of edits, and hopefully I'll be able to get that released at the end of this year. Considering what I'm going to be doing after the Collision of Worlds series as well, and it is going to kind of be sort of tied in. It's going to be like a sort of ultimate prequel to that particular series, and it's going to be set in like this sort of this particular world, and how this world turned into the world in a Collision of Worlds. And I'm quite excited about that, and it's going to kick off my new sort of light novel series, which I'm really excited about, and I can't wait to like talk to you more about and things, which is going to bring me to sort of what I plan on doing for this particular series. Is I'm going to look at maybe starting a sort of Patreon page, because there's going to be illustration and things like that, and I would really do with your help to like just pay for some of like the sort of costs towards editing and things like that, because I want to make sure that I do a nice decent product for that and to get that out. So we've got a few months remaining of this year now. We've got September, October, November and December, so 4 months remaining. We're flying through this year like nobody's business. I'm 30 next year, and it's yeah. So what I am going to say is I've got some plans for the up and coming months. I am going away for a couple of weeks during the months, so that's where I'll stop doing like sort of like and have a bit of a rest there. But for September, I'm focusing on getting the final piece is ready for my release in like the end of this year or beginning of next year for the third and final book in the Collision of Worlds series. I'll play the sort of title reveal for that and stuff. It's going to be, it's, as I said before in a previous video, it is going to be called the Tears of Siren Sacrifice. So yeah, that's something to look forward to. So in September, that's what I'm focusing on, making sure that I've got the manuscript done, making sure I've got the formatting done. And also in September, I'm hoping to kick off a new little series on my channel, which should hopefully help with writing and things, and sort of going through my perspective on how I've managed to get better at writing, and that's what I'm quite excited for, to be able to show you in the up and coming months. With regards to October, that's obviously Inktober. Now, I am going to be participating in Inktober, but I am going away in October as well. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to do 7 days worth of Inktober drawings at the end of September, so that I've obviously not going to miss out on doing that. And that's going to kind of be an entirely new project, which I hope to finish and get done. And hopefully I'll look for release for that in the sort of mid 2019 sort of region. November, as always, I will be doing National Novel Writing Month, and I will suggest that you join me in that to hopefully get some good progress towards writing. If you say that you struggle with writing and things like that, and you want to write a novel or something, it is a really great tool to help get into the mindset of getting writing and things. December is going to be normally my sort of reflection month for the whole entire year. So I'm going to take a step back, look at finishing off a few sort of like loose projects, look at what I want to start off in the next year and get that rolling, and plan for next year, really, 2019. So it's kind of like just a bit of an update, and whilst I do the update for the channel banner, which I'm really happy to unveil, I am planning on doing a new video every week, and I'm going to try and stick to that as much as I possibly can. So if you could please hit the like button, a comment in the comment below to tell me what you want to see in future videos, and also subscribe to my channel. That will be greatly appreciated. It means that I know that people are there wanting to see my content, and I hope to be able to produce more quality content in the future. So until next time, ta-ra!